Hi guys, hope you are enjoying good health. Today we are again with one more session, and today's session is very interesting one. It's very colorful one. I can say it's a rainbow section because we are going to discuss color idioms. Color idioms, as the name suggests, it should be made up of many colors, different colors. So first we explore what is the importance of colors in our lives, because colors are inseparable parts of our lives, as we can see colors everywhere around us and in our body also. Like we have red color, blue color, green color, and different shades of these colors and numerous colors. What do they tell? They tell about our feelings, about our thoughts, about our mood also. The colors, when added to any sentence or any idiom or any phrase or any part of section that you are speaking or writing, they change the tone of the speech. They tell many things about what you want to convey. They tell your moods. Like white tells about the harmony. White is such a harmonious color, such a peaceful color. And green may tell about nature, and also it is concerned with the envious mood. Envious mean ईर्षा, वहाँ पे हम green use करते हैं. So we have many colors, and we are adding these colors and using these colors in English language also in the form of idioms that not only add spark but also spice to our language, spice to our communication, because spices जो मसाले होते हैं, they are also found in different colors. So according to the color, the taste is there. According to the color, the thought is there. And color make those thoughts, those feelings very vibrant. Vibrant means most communicable, that you would get the essence what the speaker is trying to tell you. So let us start with color idioms. The first one, the first idiom is red carpet welcome. Red carpet welcome, as the name suggests, means a great welcome. That means a great hospitality. Red carpet welcome means great hospitality. Hospitality का मतलब होता है मेहमान नवाजी. That is red carpet. You must have seen during celebrations or during the opening of any event, a great event, red carpet is spread for the chief guest and for the other dignitaries, and this is the great welcome. This is a symbol of showing that you are welcome here. This is red carpet welcome, and the sentence can be when the president arrived, he was given or he was offered a red carpet welcome. This is enough to show that how much the audience or the spectators honored him. Second one is blue blood. Blue blood. We are not having blue blood in our veins or arteries. We all human beings are having red color blood in our body, but it is said so to show the royalty of the person, to show that he belongs to a royal family, a very rich and royal family. It shows the belonging of a person. So like we have red blood in our bodies, but some animals do have different color blood in their bodies, like octopus. Octopus have blue color blood flowing through its veins. So sentence may be like that, social elites are not only the blue blood, also animals are having, like octopus, blue blood flowing through their body. Or sentence may be like that, he has decided to marry a girl who is very rich and of course a blue blood, means she belongs to a very royal family, that is blue blood. The next one is in the pink. It's a very beautiful phrase. This is very close to my heart. In the pink means like pink color is a very delicate and very polite and very impressive color. So sweet it is when you look at it, and girls' favorite also. So pink color shows that you are in a very good state of health. Health means physically, mentally, spiritually, all the type of health. So you are enjoying good health actually. So in the pink means you are healthy in all aspects, socially, financially, spiritually, physically, mentally, all the ways. So whenever you see someone very happy, very excited and in a very good mood, you may tell that, oh, it's nice to see you in the pink, or I wish you always remain in the pink. Pink means very good health. That means a good healthy state, sound health. So it may be used very often because we wish everybody remains in good health in the pink. It means one should remain, we pray to God that you remain in the pink. And the next one is black sheep of the family. Black sheep, black color. This color is of course used to show something monstrous, समथिंग डेवलिश, लाइक कुछ खतरनाक दिखाना है तो हम ब्लैक शायद यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो हेयर इट इज़ द सेम थिंग. ब्लैक शीप ऑफ द फैमिली. Family is enclosed of many members, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. So the member who is disgraceful, like who is not according to the family tradition, who behaves like a rebel, who behaves differently or odd, is called black sheep of the family. And the sentence can be all the family members are very gentle. All the family members of this house are very gentle except their son, who is the black sheep of their family, who always create troubles for them. So a member who always creates issues or creates troubles for the family is the black sheep of the family. That means the odd member, odd or disgraceful member of the family. So it's not necessary that all the members are of same nature. One or two may be of different mood or nature. That is the member who is not according to the family tradition, not behaving like the family wants him to behave or her to behave. The next one is bolt from the blue. बोल्ट फ्रॉम द ब्लू, एज द नेम सजेस्ट, इस बोल्ट का मतलब होता है समथिंग बहुत ज़ोर से गिरना. फ्रॉम द ब्लू का मतलब है आसमान से. अगर ऊपर से कोई चीज़ बहुत ज़ोर से गिरेगी, इट वुड बी शॉकिंग, इट वुड बी सडन, इट मे बी डिजास्ट्रस आल्सो. एंड सेम इज़ द मीनिंग. ब्लू मीन्स स्काई. अब आसमान से कुछ फट कर गिरना मीन्स कि बहुत ख़तरनाक चीज़ होना और बहुत ही जो नुकसान करती है. सो बोल्ट फ्रॉम द ब्लू मीन्स सडन एंड शॉकिंग न्यूज़. सडन एंड शॉकिंग न्यूज़. लेट मी राइट दिस फर्स्ट. सडन or shocking news for someone. So the sentence may be like that. The news of accidental death of my uncle's son was a bolt from the blue for him. Or you may say, after checking, he found himself corona positive. It was a bolt from the blue for his entire family. So this is not something good. It's a bad news or a grief news or a shocking news and sudden news. That is not good at all. Next idiom is catch someone red-handed. Catch someone red-handed, as the name suggests, किसी को रंगे हाथों पकड़ लेना. Means to catch someone doing some unlawful thing and on the spot while he was doing that thing. And sentence could be like Mr. X, or any name could be, was caught red-handed at the crime scene. जहाँ पे crime हुआ, there he was found. It means he was caught red-handed. That means to catch someone at the crime spot or crime scene. To catch someone at the crime scene. That means catch someone red-handed. Next one is green thumb. It's a beautiful color. Green is a beautiful color that shows the nature, importance of nature. And same is the idiom displaying the same expression, green thumb. It means that one who has a great talent for gardening, great talent for preserving the nature. That means green thumb is a great talent for gardening. गार्डनिंग मीन्स जो हम अपने गार्डन में काम करते हैं, अपने फूलों की देखभाल करते हैं, अपने पौधों की देखभाल करते हैं. सो दे आर नेचर लवर. सो सेंटेंस में बी लाइक आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू विजिट माई आंट्स गार्डन. शी इज़ ए ग्रीन थम. You should look at her roses. That means she has been taking care of her flowers, her garden very carefully. That means green thumb. She is a green thumb. Whoever is a nature loving person, we can say he is a green thumb and taking care of all the natural things. Next one is green with envy. This is just opposite the meaning. Green with envy. Envy का मतलब होता है jealous. ईर्ष्या से, like भर जाना. And have you noticed something turns green? Not exactly, but it is used like that. So green with envy. So jealous, this is such a voice you can find in everybody whoever is living on this earth. So I can make a sentence that when I bought a new mobile phone, he turned green with envy. So किसी की नई चीज़ देखते ही और बेटर चीज़ देखते ही like ईर्ष्या and jealousy is quite natural in today's world. So this is green with envy, that is getting jealous. Getting jealous and turning green. Actually not turning green, it is said like this as an idiom. Next one is red tape. Red tape, I would like to tell you that whenever there is any ceremony or any function or some dignitary comes or chief guest comes, he cuts the red tape. You must have seen that. वो लाल ribbon काटा जाता है. Why is it always red ribbon? Because it is used, it has been in use since times immemorial. So red tape means to cut that ribbon and make it open to all the public or all the persons concerned. It may be an event, it may be an exhibition, it may be any school function. So red tape means to cut short the formalities and let it open for the persons concerned. So we may make a sentence like the minister should cut the red tape and let the people attend the parade conveniently. Parade is an event. तो ये कभी भी हो सकता है. So red tape means cutting short the formalities and giving plenty of like access to the public or the person concerned. So red tape means cutting short the formalities. Cutting short the formalities. And with this I would like to tell you that there is also a phrase that we are using, that is red tapeism. Red tapeism is somewhat concerned with that. Again, it is about taking less time for those things for which much time is being taken. Like red tapeism means जिस काम को बहुत जल्दी किया जा सकता है उसको बहुत समय लगाना. Like in the offices we may see that a file is just stuck somewhere. So we can make this sentence also. Making passport includes or involves red tapeism, because there are so many formalities to get your passport completed or done. So red tapeism is something else, but current directly concerned with the red tape, again with a lot of formalities and number of procedures and a lengthy procedure, you may say. This is red tape or red tapeism. Red tapeism is the noun and red tape is again an adjective because color is used. So red tape can be used as noun, but it is here adjective. Next one is red letter day. A very beautiful idiom. You all know that. Red letter day, very significant day. Very significant. Significant means very important day in one's life. This is red letter day. What is that day? We all are Indians. We are having red letter day, that is 15th August, our Independence Day, that is ahead. So we may say that 15th August is a red letter day in the history of India. Or you can make any sentence like, if you have achieved something great in your past, you may say that is the red letter day in your life. Some may be having their marriage as red letter day in their lives. So it is most important day in a person's life, that's the most significant day in any person's life. So you may use this one, red letter day, instead of very important day. तो इम्पॉर्टेंट डे अगर आपने बोलना है तो इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्ड एक कॉमन वर्ड है, यू लीव दैट एंड स्टार्ट यूजिंग रेड लेटर डे. नेक्स्ट वन इज शो योर ट्रू कलर्स. शो योर ट्रू कलर्स. ट्रू कलर्स वेरिएंट्स रेनबो कलर्स. ट्रू कलर्स का मतलब होता है अपनी सही आइडेंटिटी और सही पहचान बता देना. लाइक वन मे बी प्रिटेंडिंग टू बी जेनरस, टू बी वेरी काइंड, बट एक्चुअली ही इज़ नॉट. I can make a sentence that Mr. X is an animal lover, but when he kicked his dog, he showed his true colors. मतलब वो दिखाता तो था कि मैं एनिमल से बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करता हूँ या बड़ी केयर करता हूँ, बट एक्चुअली ही वॉज नॉट टेकिंग सो मच केयर. ही किक्ड हिज डॉग. तो उसके ट्रू कलर्स रिवील हो गए, उसकी सही औकात पता चल गई कि वो झूठ बोलता है या वो सच में ऐसा नहीं है. सो show your true colors means revealing true personality. True personality means what actually one is, सच में जो इंसान है. because we always tend to pretend. we have many faces. all the human beings is a human nature, human psychology. हम लोग बहुत मुखौटों में चलते हैं और हम सच में क्या है no one comes to know. so we are pretending this way or that way, and when we are alone or we are in a comfortable zone, we reveal our true colors, we show our true colors. हम फिर सच में बता देते हैं कि हम कैसे हैं. This is about showing true colors. Next is with the flying colors. This is a beautiful idiom. Flying colors means to be very successful, to be very successful or greatly successful. Greatly successful. So I may say that take your exams and come out with flying colors. कि अपने एग्ज़ाम लो और सच में लाइक मेरिटर्स मार्क्स लेकर आओ और टॉप पर आओ. Take your exam or work hard and come with flying colors. That means be successful. Great success is ahead waiting for you. So that's with flying colors. Tickle pink means very much delighted. Very much delighted. Delighted means happy. जब बहुत खुश हो और excitedly happy होते हैं then we say tickled pink. Tickled pink. Like इतना खुश होना कि चेहरा गुलाबी हो जाए, लाल हो जाए. लाल होना तो एम्बेरसमेंट होती है, गुलाबी हो जाए. तो टिकल्ड पिंक मीन्स यू आर वेरी वेरी हैप्पी एंड यू आर फीलिंग वेरी एक्साइटेड. okay, we can make sentence when her name was called to take prize or take the trophy on the stage, she felt tickled pink. Or when the teacher in the classroom applauded her task or his task, he felt tickled pink. So whenever one praises you, appreciates you, one feels tickled pink. This is human nature. So tickled pink means getting delighted or feeling very happy. Now white lie. What is white lie? Is there any black lie also? नहीं. lie तो lie है. lie means झूठ and one is सफ़ेद झूठ. अब सफ़ेद में एक्चुअली उसका कलर सफ़ेद नहीं हो जाता है, तो इट इज़ सेड लाइक दैट. डोंट ट्रस्ट हिम, ही यूज टू टेल वाइट लाइज. वो सफ़ेद झूठ बोलता है. सफ़ेद झूठ एग्जैक्टली मीन्स कोई इंसान बोल तो रहा है और दूसरे को भी पता है कि वो झूठ बोल रहा है, फिर भी वो उसे सुन रहा है और वो बोल रहा है. दैट इज़ वाइट लाई. दैट इज़ नॉट ट्रस्टवर्दी. सच पर्सन्स आर नेवर ट्रस्टवर्दी हु tell white lies. White lies means apparent lie. Apparent का मतलब होता है सामने ही दिख जाना कि वो इंसान lying, झूठ बोल रहा है. That is white lie. Apparent lie, very visible lie, very understandable lie कि पता चल जाए. And we have come to the last idiom of this session, including color idioms, and the last one is very interesting again. Born with a silver spoon in mouth. It's not like that कि कोई पैदा हुआ और मुंह में spoon था. No, it is said like that, born with a silver spoon in mouth. It means that born into a very rich family, a very wealthy family, royal family. मतलब ऐसी फैमिली में जन्म लेना जहाँ पे बहुत पैसा है, very wealth, जैसे wealth में कोई खेलता है. That is born with a silver spoon in mouth. It means to take birth in a very rich family. Rich means wealthy family. Rich means wealthy family. Sentence can be like this. He need not worry about his livelihood, he need not worry about his future because he is born with a silver spoon in his mouth. मतलब उसे कमाई की चिंता की ज़रूरत नहीं है. He is born in such a rich family that he can survive by sitting idle. Idle means बिना काम किए या कम काम किए. So this means born with a silver spoon. Silver एक richness का symbol है, like metal gold symbol. हम इसे relate करते हैं with richness and wealth के साथ. So these are the idioms having different colors, like a rapid flashback. We must have that. Red carpet welcome means great hospitality and great welcome. Blue blood means of rich or royal family. In the pink means having very good health in all the aspects. Black sheep of the family means odd one or a disgraceful member of a family, that is black sheep of the family. Bolt from the blue means sudden shocking news and generally not good one, very bad maybe. Catch someone red-handed means to catch someone at the crime scene doing unlawful activity or illegal activity. Next is green thumb, which means great talent for gardening. Great talent for gardening, that means अपने garden पे जो बहुत अच्छा maintain करता है, well maintain रखता है, he is or she is a green thumb. You must have also heard about go green. I skipped that. Go green means be nature lover. This is written on the vehicles, on the boards, or everywhere you may find that in this era. Go green means be nature lover, take care of nature. Green with envy means quite jealous. Red tape means cutting short the formality, cutting short the formality or the time being taken for some event or some happening. That is red tape. It is to be cut. It means cut short that timing, cut short those formalities. Red letter day, very significant day, very important day. It could be any day in one's life, in nation's life, in society's life, like किसी की भी ज़िंदगी में या आपके दूसरों की लाइफ में कोई भी significant day. Show your true colors. Show your true colors, revealing true personality. What actually one is. ये दिखाना कि कौन सच में अंदर से कैसा है, उसकी सही औकात बताना. That is revealing true personality. With flying colors means greatly successful. Coming up with flying colors, बहुत ज़्यादा success पा जाना. That is with flying colors. Tickled pink means delighted, happy. Feeling tickled pink means बहुत खुश होना, excited होना, जिससे चेहरा गुलाबी हो जाए. So white lie means apparent lie, सफ़ेद झूठ जो सामने दिखता है, फिर भी one tells lies. Born with a silver spoon in the mouth is the last one. Take birth, who has taken birth in a very rich or wealthy family. So these are the idioms, colorful idioms, rainbow idioms, and I hope that you would add these colors in your life also while communicating in English, while speaking English, because if you want to add, if you want to have spark and that spice and that color in your language, do use these idioms. They make you vibrant, they make you interesting, and they make you tactful, like telling many things in short phrases, short idioms. So if you have got something new, if you have learned something new, do like, share and subscribe. Till next session, stay well, grow well. Thanks a lot.